Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. And guys, today in this video, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic and state of the art book search app. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic and state of the art book search app using react.js and third party API as well. So guys, here today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn few more things like what is use state hook and what is use effect hook and how to use state hook to create the state variables and how to use the use effect hook to fetch the third party API data in our React app, in our React application, and how to show them on the browser to our user. And using these two hooks, we are going to create an awesome dynamic and state of the art book search app using the react.js and third party API as well. So guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the feature, all the functionalities to you so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. So let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely react.js and third party API as well. So guys, here we can see the heading also, React book search app using open library API plus LoadMore plus dark mode plus modal. Yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to completely create an awesome dynamic and state of the art book search app using react.js open library API plus LoadMore feature plus dark mode feature plus modal feature as well. Okay, and guys, below we can see here one search input field as well, and on the right hand side we can see here one button also called search. Okay, and guys, this is the button from where we can apply the theme, okay, like dark mode as well as the light mode also. So from this button we can toggle the theme between light mode and dark mode, and through this search input field we can search any book name, okay, using the book name itself and using the author name itself. Okay, so guys, we can search the book, okay, using the book name itself and using the author name as well. Okay, and guys, below we can see here showing results for Harry Potter. Okay, so guys, currently I'm searching the book of Harry Potter. Okay, and guys, this is the API data, this is the result of the API data we are fetching and we are showing on the browser as well. Okay, and guys, as of now we can see here on each and every, okay, new fetch on each and every new result we can see here, we are going to see here only 10 result. Okay guys, we are going to get here 100 data. Okay guys, we are going to get here 100 data, but on each and every new search, on each and every new result, we will show here only 10 data on the browser to our user. Okay, and guys, suppose user want to see another some more data or some more books, okay, then he or she has to click this button load more. Okay guys, as of now you can see here I have shown here only 10 book data, so we can see here only 10 here. Okay, so guys, whenever you will click this button load more, you are going to load, you are going to fetch 10 more data or 10 more books. Okay, and you are going to see each and everything here only on a single browser. Okay, so let me just click this button load more to load 10 more books or to load more 10 more data. Okay, so click it now, load more. So you can see here I have loaded here 10 more books data or the data, you can see here now it's 20. And guys, you can see here they've got here one button also, go to top, okay, to go on the top of the browser. Okay, so let me just click this button, go to top. You can see here how smooth and how animated it is. Okay, so let me just click it one more time, go to top, see. Okay, so guys, as of now you can see here, we can see here only 10 book data. You can see here 20 is also, I mean the 20 book data, and you can see here 20 is also here. So I want to load more. So every time guys, every time you will click this button load more, you are going to you are going to fetch 10 more book data, and you are going to show here itself. Okay, so click this button load more, see, boom guys, you can see here 10 more data is loaded. So it's now 30 here. Click this button load more, because we are getting here 100 data, so we can load here entire 100 data whenever we will click this button load more. Okay, so it's now 40 here, so click this button load more to again load 10 more data. So click it again, you can see 10 more data is now loaded again. Okay, so it's now 50. Click it again, load more data, see, it's now loaded now 10 more data. So it's now 60, load more, see, it's loaded again 10 more data. It's now 70, load more, see, 10 more data loaded, 10 more books data loaded. It's now 80, load more, see, 10 more data loaded, and it's now 90, load more, see, 10 more data loaded. And guys, now we can see here the text or the string, you have seen all results. Okay, so guys, you can see here how cool and how dynamic it is. Okay, so guys, here we are going to learn that how we can implement, okay, this kind of feature where user can load more data in a same or in a single browser. Okay, and we can see here I have shown here the dynamically this text also, you have seen all results. And we can go to the top, okay, by clicking this button go to top. So click it now, see how animated, how cool it is. Okay, so guys, here I have created here each and everything using React itself. Okay, so go to top. Okay, and guys, here we can see here the button also, see book details. Okay guys, on each and every book card we can see here one button also called see book details. So guys, the moment you will click this button see book details, you are going to see each and everything of a particular book card in nice and dynamic modal as well. So I want to see this the entire details of this book card, Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. So click the button see book details, so hit it now. So see, boom guys, you can see here Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix is here, and this is the book image, and this is the title, author, publisher, published year, and these are the languages. Okay, so either we can dismiss this modal by clicking anywhere on this gray area, by clicking this cross icon, and by clicking these two cancel and OK button as well. So click OK. I want to see the details of this entire book card, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Okay, I'm sorry, like this is a little difficult to pronounce. So Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. So see details, we can see here. So guys, it is going to take a few seconds to update, okay, because we are fetching each and everything from the external API, from the external server. So that's why it is going to take bit time to update. And this is the title, this is the book image, title, author, publisher, publishing year, and the languages. Okay, so click cancel. So let's just see the details of this entire Harry Potter, okay, and the Chamber of Secrets, see book details. So in a nice and dynamic modal, I have shown each and everything, the title, the book image, title, author, publisher, publishing year, languages. Click OK. So guys, let me just search here some other books as well. So I'll just search here the computer, hit enter. You can see loading spinner is also shown here, and you can see here showing results for computer, and these all books are related to computers. Okay, related to computers. Okay, so we can see here only 10 data I have shown here. On each and every new search I have shown here only 10 data, and if you want to see the in like other 10 data, 10 data, 20 data, up to 100 data, we have to click this button load more to load more data, to load okay more books data. So click it now, load more. So you can see 10 more data loaded, and you can see it is going to show each and everything, the book image, the name, the author, and the publishing year as well. Okay, so you can see here it's now 20 here. Click one more time, load more. So see, data is being loaded. Okay, you can see here it's now 30, load more. It is going to load 10 more data. On each and every click it is going to load 10 more data from the server, from the external API. Okay, you can see here it's now 40, load more. So again 10 more data loaded. Okay, and it's now 50, load more. It's now 60, and we can go on the top as well by clicking this button, go to top. Okay, and you can see here it's so dynamic, it's so smooth. Okay, it is going to give you feel that we are using here the native React app. Okay, so let's just load more data. So hit it, load more. So again 10 more data, 10 new more data loaded, and you can see here it's now 70, load more. It's now see, it's now 80, load more. Okay, it's now 90, load more. 10 more data loaded, and it's now we can see here the text or the string, you have seen all results. Okay, so guys, the moment we will reach here the last of the element in the array, which means we have seen here each and everything, and I'll show here this text also, you have seen all results. Okay, so we can see the details also about a particular book, card. Whenever you are going to click this button, see book details in a nice and dynamic modal as well. So close this, I want to see the details of this book. Okay, secret mathematics and applications, see book details. You can see here in a nice and dynamic modal I have shown each and everything. So go to top again, and I'm going to search here another books. Okay, so I'll just search here few more books. I'll just say here water, hit enter. So you can see here showing results for water. So guys, we can search here anything, okay, like any book, using the book name itself or using the author name as well. Okay, this is it. So you can see here showing results for water. So you can see here these all books are related to related to only water. Okay, like the book name will be water, or the author name will contain the string water as well. Okay, so this is it, load more. So load more, 10 more data, load 10 more data by clicking this button, load more. So load more. See, every time we are going to load 10 more data whenever you will click this button, load more button. Okay, so it's now 40, so it's now 50. Okay, it's now 50, load more. Okay, it's now 60, load more. See, every time it is going to load 10 more data, 10 new more data every time. So it's now 70, load more. It's now 80, load more. It's now 90, load more. And it's now 100. So we can see here the string or the text or the message, you have seen all results. Okay, so guys, you can see here this is cool, and this is really dynamic, and we can apply here the dark mode as well. So to apply the dark mode, we have to hit this button, dark mode. So hit it now. You can see here dark mode is now applied, and you can see here the button background changes also, and the button text also changes to light mode. Okay, you can see here the dark mode is now applied. You can see the dark mode is now applied. Okay, you can see the dark mode is now applied, and we can refresh the page also. Still the dark mode will remain here. It is going to persist here because we are saving each and everything inside the local storage. So the dark mode will persist here even if you will refresh the page, even if you will reload the page also. So refresh the page or reload the page. You can see here the dark mode is still here. The dark mode is still applied. Okay, and you can see here I have refreshed the page also, but still the dark mode is applied. Okay, it is going to persist here even if you will refresh the page, even if you will reload the page. Okay, so load 10 more data. So every time, guys, we will click this button, load mode, mode. Okay, it is going to load 10 more data. Okay, this is it, and I showed you we can see each and everything inside the modal as well on a particular. Okay, like whenever you will click on a particular book card, you are going to see each and everything in nice and dynamic modal as well. Okay, so close this. So go on top, search here anything. I'll just search here biology, hit enter. You can see here showing results for biology, and these all books are related to biology only. This is it. So load more is now 20, load more is now 30, load more. See, again we are loading 10 more data on every click. Load more, load more. So it's now 60, and load more. Again 10 new data loaded. So it's now 70, load more. It's now 80, load more. It's now 90, load more, and it's done. So we will see here you have seen all results, and we can go on top by hitting this button, go to top. So click it. Okay, so guys, what we will learn here, how to do API integration in React.js, and how to fetch the API data in our React app, and how to show them on the browser. Load more feature, dark mode feature, and modal feature as well, and we will create this kind of awesome, dynamic, and state of the art React book search app with the features load more, dark mode, and modal. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this app. Okay, guys, let me tell you one very important things, guys. This video is very beginners friendly. This video is very new learner friendly in React. Okay, so guys, if you are learning React.js in 2025 and you are new to React.js, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this video till last, because in this video, like I explained you, we are going to learn a lot of things, a lot of new things in React.js, and we will become master using these features in React.js, using the use effect, using the user state. We will learn how to fetch the data, how to create the state variable, how to do side effects using the use effect hook, and how to fetch the data, and how to load and how to show them on the browser. And we will just also learn how to apply light mode or dark mode, and we will also learn how to implement this feature, load more feature, in our React app. And we will also learn how to show the dynamic data in the modal in this video, in this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this app. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all, please guys, please subscribe now my channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, so that whenever I'll upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly. And definitely guys, you're going to grow also in your professional career as well after watching my video, after watching my session. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you will subscribe now, and please guys, please don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your group also. Please guys, please do share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your group also. And please, I'm hoping you're going to subscribe now my channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also, and you will like this video also. And please guys, okay, do comment something in the comment section below, what you have learned new, what you have gained new from this video, from this session. Okay, please guys, please do like this video as well. Okay, and please do comment something, okay, in the comment section below. If you have any query, if you have any doubt regarding this video, regarding this session also, you can comment in the comment section below. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. And please guys, okay, ignore this message. Okay, please guys, don't mind this message. Okay, please ignore this message. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's create this app. Okay, with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. So let me go to the code editor. So guys, here I'm going to use here the VS Code editor. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. So I'm going to create here the new file also. I'll say here React, okay, books search apps.jsx, save the file in the components folder only, hit save. Let's just import here few things also. Import, okay, so I'll just import here react, from react only I'll import the two hooks also. So first hook is use state, and the second hook is use, okay, effect to do the side effects. Okay, using this use effect we can perform the side effects, okay, like fetching the data, like updating the document title, directly manipulating the DOMs, okay, some subscriptions and some timer as well. So these all are the example of side effects in react, and we perform side effects using this use effect hook in react. Okay, this is it. And using this use state, we are going to create here state variable to manage the state in our react app. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to use here the axios. So I'm going to import here the axios as well, like this. I have already installed in my project folder. This is it. So I'll just import here the components from the ant design as well. So tooltip component I will import here from ant design, the button component I will import, and the empty component also I will import here from the ant design as well. This is it. I'm going to import here the loader also, clip loader. So I'll just say here clip loader from react spinner, so we don't have to use this curly braces. So I'll just say here clip loader. This is it. Okay guys, this is it. Let me just create here one main component also. I'll just say here const, and react, okay, react app with prabhat, okay, give equal to I'll use here the filter function, okay, and just close this div. I'll just return here all the things from here. So I'm going to create here the parent div or the container div or the wrapper div we can say also. So give the class name also. Margin top I'll give you 4, margin bottom I'll give you 5, okay, and I'll just use the container class. Okay, so container class, this is it, and close this div. And now let me just create here the button first. Okay, so create a div first, and let me just give you the text center, and just close this div. To apply the dark mode or light mode, we have to create here the button as well. So let's just use here the button component. Okay, so from ant design, okay, so I will just say here the type I will give here primary, or don't use the this button. Okay, let's just create here the our HTML button, okay, because we have to apply the classes also dynamically. So I'll just give you the class name as well using the dynamic classes using the backtick. Okay, so I'll just say here btn, and this is, let's just now as of now just open this button, and we have to use here the dollar sign. Okay, so let me guys first of all as of now just remove this. Okay, as of now just give here the dummy string or the static string. I'll just say here apply dark mode, so save, and below this div I'm going to copy the main HTML, okay, h2 from here, and just save this below this div. Let's just do like this. So as of now just export it also. So export, okay, default, so react app, okay, with prabhat. So close this, and guys as of now just save this file, come to app.jsx, and we have to say here import, okay, react app with prabhat. Okay, so just copy this, and just now below this I have to say here like this, paste it, and just close this, save the file, have a look in the browser. So go down, we will see here the string. You can see here react book search app using open library API plus LoadMore plus dark mode plus modal. So guys, now I am going to hide this, okay, old app. So I'm going to hide it now. So comment this out, and just comment this out as well, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now everything is gone. Okay, so now come to this, okay, our, okay, so here our app is here. Okay, so guys, now let me just create here few state variables very quickly. I'm going to create here few state variables very quickly. I'll just say here const, and I'll just say here books state variables. I'll just say here set, okay, books state operator function use state, and as of now let me just give here the default value as a empty array. And now I'll just create here another state variable. I'll just say here search term. I'll just say here set, okay, set search term, and just say here use state, okay, use state. And as of now just give here the default search term value. Okay, just give here the default search term value. I'll just say here Harry Potter. Okay, this is it. So this is the default search term. Okay, so guys, as of now just save the file, and we can see here we don't have any issue. And now let me just create here const. Okay, so const, I'll just create here the loading state variable. I'll just say here set loading as well. Okay, set loading state operator function use state, and as of now just give here the default value as a false. So this is the boolean value, true and false. Okay, I'm going to create here another state variable. I'll just say here dark mode, to apply dark mode or the light mode. I'll just say here set dark mode and use state. And as of now just give here the default or initial value as a false. So initially light mode will be applied. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so as of now guys, just copy this state variable dark mode from here, and inside this button we are going to use it now. So using the $sign, I'll use here the dynamic classes. So paste it. Okay, if it is true, if dark mode is true, we will apply here another class. I'll say here btn warning, and if it is false we will apply here btn say here secondary. Okay, so now just to copy this, and we need this, okay, to apply the dynamic text also to this button. If this is true, which means dark mode is already applied. Okay guys, if dark mode is true, which means dark mode is already applied. You can see here its value is false here. So if it is true, the dark mode is already applied, so we will say here the dark mode is already applied. So we will say here apply light mode. Okay, otherwise we will say here apply dark mode if it is false. So we will say here apply dark mode if it is false. Save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here. So let me just where is the $sign, remove this. So now we can see here apply dark mode. So let's just make it true. Let's just make it true. So now we will see here apply light mode, and this button warning will be applied. Okay, so we can see, boom guys, everything is fine, everything is okay. So now let's just make it again false, revert it. So now this is okay. So now guys, we have to create here the search input field from where user can search any book. Okay, we have to create here the search input field. So I'm going to create it now. Okay, I'm going to create it now, but before creating the form, we have to create here few more state variables. So I'm going to do that now. I'll just create here few more state variable. So I'll just say here visible. Okay, visible books. Okay, I'll just say here set. Okay, set. Okay, visible books equal to use state, and close this. And as of now just give here the blank or the empty array. Okay, this is it. I'll just create here another state variable. I will just say here item. Okay, item to show, and say here set item, okay, to show equal to use state. And as of now just I'll just give here the how many items we want to show. Initially 10. Okay, so guys, initially we want to show here 10 data or 10 item, and whenever user will click load more button, we will load here 10 more data dynamically. Okay, every time user will click load more, we will just load 10 more data dynamically. Okay, so initially we will show here 10 data. Okay, initially. Okay, this is it. So const, I'll just create here few more state variable. I'll say here show. Okay, show go to top, and say here set. Okay, show go to top equal to use state, and as of now just give here the false, okay, because initially go to top button will be hidden, okay, initially it will be hidden. So guys, as of now just save the file, have a look in the browser, no issue at all. So guys, now we are going to create here the form, and it will contain one search input field and the button also to search the book, okay. So I'm going to create here the search input field, okay. So guys, I'm going to do that now, okay. So below this I'm going to create here the form and just close this form, not this form, and let's just give here the class name also. I'll say here margin top of say here 5, give here margin bottom also 5, and just open this form. I'm going to create here div also inside this form. I'll give the class name also. First close this div, and now we have to create here and we have to give here a class. I'll say here input, okay, input group, okay, input group. So just open this div, and now we are going to create here the input, okay, field inside this div. I'll just say here input, and I'll just give here the type as a text also, type attribute. I'll give you the placeholder also, search book here, give 3 dots. I'll give here the class name also. I'll say here form, okay, control, give here p, I'll give here 2 also. So as of now just save the file, have a look in the browser first. We can see here we got here the input field, search input field. So I have to create here the button also. I am going to create here the button as well, so to search the books, okay. So button, I'll give here the type attribute as a submit only, submit, okay. Give the class name also btn. I'll give here warning, save the file, okay. Just give here text here, search book, save the file, have a look in the browser. We can see here the button also, search book is now here. So guys, now we have to link, okay, we have to attach this, okay, this search input field with our state variable. Guys, now we have to attach, we have to link, we have to connect, okay, this search input field with our state variable, okay, with our React state variable. So we have to use here the value attribute to connect, to attach this search input field with our React state variable. So I am going to do that now. So I will just use here the value attribute to attach this input field with our React state variable. So copy this, okay, search term from here and just paste it here. So guys, as of now in this way, we have connected, we have attached, okay, this, okay, input field, okay, this search input field with our this, okay, search term React state variable, okay, with this search term React state variable. But guys, as of now we won't be able to type here anything, okay. We won't be able to type here anything inside this input field, okay. We can see here I'm not able to type here anything inside this search input field. So guys, to enable the typing feature, guys, to enable the typing feature of this search input field, so that user can search any book, okay, so that user can search any book, we have to say here on change attribute as well. So event object I will pass here inside the anonymous filter function. I'll use here the filter function. So copy this, okay, set search term state updater function, and we will say here like this, event dot target dot value, okay, event dot target dot value. So guys, now we will be able to type as well inside the search input field, okay. So save the file, have a look in the browser. So now try to type anything, see, boom guys, now we can type anything inside the input field, okay. So this is it. So now let me just show you one very important things also. So copy this, okay, search term state variable from here and just paste it here inside the open and closing curly braces, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here everything, whatever user will type here, it will come here inside this, okay, search term state variable, okay. Whatever guys user will type here inside this, okay, search input field, it will come here inside this search term state variable, and we can use it anywhere, okay. So just remove this is it, okay. So guys, in this way we have created here our form now. So guys, now we have to write here one method as well, okay, to fetch the book API, okay, to fetch the book API data from the external server, from the external library. So I'm going to create here one method name as well, okay. So we have to, first of all, we have to say here on this form, we have to say here on submit, okay, on submit we have to say here handle submit, okay, handle submit, say here form, okay, instead of data say here form, okay. So we have to define this method now. So copy it from here and here above this return statement, okay, above this return statement we have to say here const, just paste it here. I'll just use here the filter function, and on submit is the event, so we will pass here the event object as well, and we will say here event dot target, okay, or say here event dot prevent default, save the file. So in this way our form is not going to be refreshed, okay, in this way our form is not going to be refreshed, okay, or reload, okay. This is it. Save the file, try to hit this button search book. So see, nothing is going to happen, but remove this, okay, event, okay, and now hit search book. You can see here now the form is being refreshed, now the page is being refreshed. See, now the page is being refreshed. So Control Z, and now remove this question mark from here, and now hit search book. See, nothing is going to happen, no refreshment at all, okay. This is it, okay. So guys, now we have to define here one method also. So I am going to define here one method, and in this method we will fetch the API, okay, from the external API URL, okay. But I'll use here the Axios, okay, I'll use here the Axios. So I just copy this Axios from here, and we will just create here one method also, or the function. I'll just say here const, okay, I'll say here fetch, okay, book API data, okay, give equal to, I'll use here the async method. So I'll just say here async, and I'll just use here the await keyword as well. So we have to use here the await keyword as well. Whenever we will use here the async method, we have to use here the await keyword as well, okay. So I'll use here the filter function like this, okay. So guys, this is the async method. So we have to use this, okay, await keyword inside this method to wait for the promise, okay, to wait for the promise to be resolved, okay, to wait for the responses, okay, to wait for the responses. We have to use here the await keyword, okay, inside this, okay, fetch book API data function, okay. So I am going to do that now, but before this we have to set here. So I'll just say here copy this set loading state updater function. We will say here, and we will just make it, okay, we will just make it, okay, as of now just make it, okay, true. So we will show the loading, okay, while fetching the data. So I'll just say here show loading while fetching the data. This is it. And we will say here copy this, okay, set books state updater function to remove all the previous search, okay, to remove all the previous search, okay. So to clear all previous search results, okay. This is it. I hope I'm good enough to explain you the things, okay. So copy this set visible books state updater function, and we will reset it also. We will reset it also using this, okay, blank or the empty array. So I'll just say here immediately, okay, clear the visible item, okay. So clear all the visible items, okay, if any, okay. I'll just say here if any, okay. This is it, okay, this is it. So I will just use here the try catch block also. Try catch block I'll use here to handle the responses, to handle the error, okay. So I'll just say here catch block also, and I'll just pass here the error object as well. So we will get the error if anything happen inside this try block, okay, we will get the issue, we will get the error if anything bad will happen inside this try block, okay, and we will catch it here inside the catch block. So this is it, and now I'll just use here the finally block as well. So finally block I'll use here again. So now inside the finally block we will just make it again false, okay, this set loading, we will just again make it false, okay, so false, this is it, okay, this is it. So now inside this try block we will use here the axios, okay, to fetch the API response, okay. So now we will just here I'll just create here one const, okay, as a response only. So say here response, okay, give equal to, I'll use the await keyword to wait for the promise to be resolved, okay, and I'll use the axios, I'll use the dot get method, okay, like guys we have like, okay, get, okay, put, delete, update, okay, and patch, okay, these all methods are known as the HTTP methods, okay. So guys I'll use here the get method to fetch the API data, and guys we have to pass here the API URL as a parameter to this get method, okay. So guys we have to pass here the API URL as a parameter to this dot get method, okay. So I'm going to copy the URL from the previous example only. So just copy this from here to here. So just come here and I'll just use here the backtick, okay. So in this way we can just make this search term dynamic. I explained you whatever user is going to enter, whatever user is going to search from this search input field, it will definitely come inside this, okay, search term state variable, and we can use this variable state variable anywhere in our React app, okay. So here we will see here math book, physics books, okay, chemistry book, biology book, okay, and accordingly we will fetch the data from the API, okay. This is it. So now inside the try block only I'll just create here one const, okay, I'll just create here one const, I'll just say here all books equal to, I'll just say here this response, okay, this response dot data, I'll just say here dot docs, okay, dot docs, okay, to get all the 100 books, okay. This is it, this is it. Let me just show you the first responses and the promise also in the console, okay. I'll just say here console dot log, and first of all I'll just show you the response, and now let me just copy this and just paste it one more couple of times or 2 times. I want to show you something, I want to give you the complete explanation, okay. So I will just say here response dot data, and now I'll just say here response dot data dot docs, okay, dot docs, okay. So guys as of now this is it, okay, as of now guys this is it. So inside the catch block we have to catch the error now. So we will say here, I'll just define here one another state variable with the catch, okay, I mean the error, okay. To show the error I'll just say here error, and say here set error, and use state, and as of now just give here the null value, okay. This is it. So copy this, okay, set error state updater function, and inside the catch block we will just set it using this message as well. We will just set it, we will say here error fetching the data, okay, data. Just now give space, give point comma, I'll just say here error, okay, and it will have a message property as well. So I'll just say here message, okay, and I want to show the error in the console as well. So I'll just say here console dot, okay, console dot error to show the error in the console. So just to copy this and just paste it here. This is it, okay. So guys as of now this is it, okay, as of now guys this is it. So we will use here okay, this set book to set the this book state variable, and we will use this, okay, set visible, okay, and set item to show to update this visible books and to update this item to show later on. Okay, first of all let me just to show you the things in the console. Okay, all the responses, all the data in the console. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, as of now we have just defined here this function called fetch book API data. Okay guys, as of now we have just defined it, we are not calling it. Okay, we are not calling it. So guys, we have to call it, okay, explicitly whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time. Okay, whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time, we have to call this, okay, fetch book API data. So copy this and we will just call it inside the use effect. Okay, use effect like this. I'll use here the fire function like this, and I'll just give here the empty dependency array. So this is known as the empty dependency array. So we have to call it now here. So now I'll just say here calling the function when component mounts. Okay, mounts for the first time. This is it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let me just write here the comment also for you. Okay, so say here fetch on, okay, fetch on first load. This is it. Okay, so guys, in this way guys, okay, whenever our page, our component will be mounted for the first time, we are going to load, okay, we are going to fetch the data, okay, from the external API whenever this use effect will run. Okay, whenever this use effect will execute for the first time. Okay, so guys, as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser. So let me go to the console first. Go to the console and now refresh the page one more time manually. See, boom guys, boom, we got the data. Guys, you can see here inside the data we got here the docs. Okay, you can see here inside the data we got here docs. So this is what we are saying here, response dot data dot docs. Okay, inside the response there is the data and there is docs. Okay, so we will say here response dot data dot docs. Okay, so guys, you can see here we are getting here 100 data. Okay, we are getting here 100 data. Okay, we are getting here 100 data. So we will show here initially 10 data, and whenever user will click the button load more, we will load 10 more data. Again he or she will click the button load more, we will again load 10 more data. Again he or she will click the button load more, again we will load the 10 more data until and till we have 0 element, okay, to show in our array. This is it. Okay, this is it. So this is it, but inside the function, inside the handle, okay, search from, we are going to call this method as well. So copy this, okay, fetch API data, and now we will first check. Okay, we will first check, okay, if there is anything inside this, okay, search input field. So if there is nothing in the input field, we will not perform any search. Okay, we will not perform any search, we will not fetch any API data. Okay, because the input field is blank, it's empty. So what to search? We will do nothing. Okay, we will say here exclamation mark, we will say here search term dot trim to remove the white spaces from left and right. Okay, if this is the case, we will say here return. Okay, we will say here return do nothing. Okay, we will say here do nothing. Okay, if input, okay, input is empty. This is it. Okay, if this is not the case, we will just call this. Okay, we will just call this fetch API data on this, okay, on this fetch book button click as well. So guys, as of now guys, just save the file, and I am going to not here, so cut it out from here inside this handle submit method, okay, or the function. Okay, so guys, as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser. Okay, have a look in the browser first. Okay, go to the developer tools one more time, go to the console, and now guys try to hit this button search book and try to guys, pay attention here. Okay, pay attention here. Okay, I'm going to hit the button search book. Hit it now. See, boom, guys, boom. Again, click one more time or refresh the page so we can see clearly. So again, click it search book one more time. See, boom, guys. See, let me just comment this out. As of now, use effect. I want to show you something. So commented. So now just refresh the page. So now we won't be able to see any data when our component will be loaded for the first time. Okay, refresh the page, and now we have to click this button search book in order to see the data. So click it now. Boom, guys, we got the data. Click one more time. Boom, guys, we are getting the data now. So we have to just show it on the browser. So just close this. Okay, so now we have to show it on the browser. Okay, and we have to create the feature or the functionality LoadMore. Okay, as well. Okay, so guys, now we have to do that now. So I am going to do that now. Okay, so here, okay, so let me just first of all, let me just show here the loading. Okay, we can just show here the this. Okay, first of all, let me just show here a few things also. So just below this form we have to do here. So I'm going to use here the open and closing curly braces. So we will just check with this books. Okay, this is the array. Books state variable is the array. Okay, so just say here dot length. Okay, dot length, if it is greater than 0, which means there is something in the array. And we will say here if this input field is not empty. Okay, this input field is not empty, so we will say here, okay, search term. Okay, if this input field is not empty, dot trim. Okay, if it is not empty, so we will say here, then we will show here the result. Okay, like what is the user searching here, we will show them. Okay, so I'll just create here like this, and I'll just use here the div. Okay, so just give here the class name. Let me just close this div. I'll just say here text center. Open this div, and inside this div I'll create here h5 element. Okay, h5. Let's just give here the class name also. I'll just say here font width bold, and I'll just say here display. Say here 5. I'll just give here text center as well. I'll just say here okay, margin top 3, margin bottom, let's just make it 4. Okay, let's just make it 4. So open this h5, and we will say here showing. Okay, showing the results for let's just create here the strong element. Okay, say here colon, it will look good. So create here the strong element, strong, and we will just show here this. Okay, this search term, what is user searching here, we will show here. Okay, so just to paste it here, and as of now, okay, so let's just give here classes also. So say here text danger. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. So let's just hit this search book. Okay, but we won't be able to see here anything as of now. So let me just copy this. Okay, books state variable from here, and we have to set it now. Okay, so not this. Okay, set books state updater function. Okay, so inside the try block only, we will say here response. Okay, response dot data dot docs. Okay, dot docs. Okay, to store. Okay, store all 100 datas. Okay, this is it as of now. Just save the file, have a look in the browser, hit search book. Okay, so you can see here showing results for Harry Potter. Okay, say here math, hit enter. you can see here showing result for math. Okay, so now we have to show here the loading spinner as well. So we have to show here the first loading spinner as well. So I'm going to show that now the loading spinner as well. Okay, so I'll just create here open and closing curly braces, and I'll just check with this. Okay, loading state variable, so copy it from here, and we have to negate it using the exclamation mark. Okay, this is it. Okay, if this is okay, if this is false or true, and we will just check here with the books dot length as well. Okay, if it is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, if it is equal to 0, then we will show the loading spinner. Okay, and now we will just use this. Okay, and now we will create here another div, give the class name also. I'm very sorry, close this div, and now we will say here text center to show the loading spinner, and open this div, and now we will just first of all we will just use here this this clip loader components from here, and just paste it here inside this. This is the component, so we have to say like this. I'll give here the color attribute as well. I'll say here red. I'll give here the size attribute. I'll say here 100. Okay, so this is it as of now. Just save the file and have a look in the browser. Okay, or let's just remove this. Okay, let's just remove this. Okay, so this is it, guys. Just now save the file and have a look in the browser. So you can see here loading spinner is now here. You can see here loading spinner is here. Okay, so let's just search here one more time. You can see here loading spinner is here, so we will make it false. Okay, once our result is ready. Okay, once our result is ready, we will make it false as well. Okay, so let's just as of now just remove this. Okay, open it like a exclamation mark. Okay, so just now we can see here it's gone now. So data is ready, it's gone. Say here biology, hit enter. You can see here it's gone, showing the result for biology. Okay, so guys, now we will show here the error message as well. Okay, suppose there is no like any book, okay, with the name. Okay, guys, suppose there is no any book with the this string. Okay, so we have to show that that also to the user that okay, no books are found, okay, with the book name or the with the string like this. Okay, so this is a random string. This is a like okay, fake or the like useless string. Okay, so user is not going to see any book name or the any books, okay, using this string. So we have to show them also, we have to tell them also that we can't find any book using this string. Please try to put here any valid or any legit, okay, book name or the author name. Okay, so we are going to do that now. Below this I'll just say here open and closing curly braces. I'll just use here the exclamation mark, and I'll just again use this okay loading state variable from here. I'm sorry, so just paste it. I'm sorry, guys. So I'll just use here again this and okay to check it. Okay, and now we will just check here if books dot length is okay, if it is equal to 0. Okay, which means there is nothing in the array, and we will again use here the and. Okay, this is known as the like a conditional rendering in React. Okay, so we will just create here like this, and I'll just create here the div also. So close this div very quickly, and I'll just give here the class name also. I'll just say here text center, open this okay div, and I'll just use here this okay this empty component from the ant design. Okay, so copy it from here. I'm sorry, guys, and just paste it here. I'll give you the description as well. I'll just say here no books to show. This is it. And I'll just give you the h4 element also, and we will say here the class name text center. Okay, I'll just say here text dark, font width bold. Okay, and I'll say here display 5. Okay, and we will say here no book to show. So paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser first. See, boom guys, no books to show. See, and we can see here this image also, and you can see here no books to show. Okay, but let me just make it a valid book name, biology. So now hit enter. See, boom guys, showing the results for biology. Okay, so guys, everything is doing great, everything is doing fine. Okay, so now guys, we have to show here, we have to check here for the issue, for the error as well. So I'll just say here if okay, with this, okay, error state variable copied from here, they will show the issue as well. What is the issue with the URL? Okay, let me just return all the things first and close this. And now let me just create here the container div or the parent div. So let's just create here div, give the class name text center. Okay, and margin top I'll give here 4, margin bottom also I'll give here 4, and just close this div. And I will just inside this div I'll create here h5 element. I'll create here h5 element. I'll give the class name also text center, and I'll just say here text say here danger. Okay, text danger. Open this, and now I'll just use this, okay, error state variable from here. Okay, because you can see here set error, we have set here this error, okay, inside this catch block. Okay, so we will just say here like this. Okay, and we will say here, let's just make it, okay, dynamic using the backtick. In this way we can append the text as well. Okay, so let me just say here as of now just save the file, and as of now just put here some extra, okay, text to make this URL invalid URL. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser first. Now refresh the page one more time, or hit search book. You can see here error fetching the data. Okay, error fetching the data. We will say here please, okay, try again later. Save the file. We can see here error fetching the data, please try again later. And let's just say here display, I'll say here 4. So now we can see here give here font weight also bold. So now we can see here error fetching the data, please try again later. Okay, this is it, because you can see here this is the wrong URL, this is the invalid URL. Okay, so just remove this. Okay, and now just save the file, have a look in the browser, and now refresh the page one more time. Now try to search the Harry Potter book, hit search book. See, boom guys, now we are getting the data, because we can see here showing the results for Harry Potter. Okay, which means everything is okay, everything is fine, we are getting the data. Okay, so guys, now let me just show the data now. So we are going to show the data now below this div or below this, okay, piece of code. We are going to show the data now. So just now create here one div also. I'll give the class name also as a row justify content center. I'll say here margin top 5, margin bottom also 5. This is it. Open this, close this div now. Okay, and open this div. Inside this div I'm going to use here open and closing curly braces. Okay, so guys, as of now just to copy this, okay, entire books. Okay, just copy this entire books state variable, which is an array, and we can obviously of course call map method on this books state variable, which is an array. So copy it from here as of now, and just paste it here. We will just say here dot map, and I will just say here book, and I'll just give you the index. open this, and just use here the factor function like this, and open this, and now I'll create here the div. So first of all, let me just close this div. I'll just give you the class name also. I'll just say here, or let's just make this class name dynamic using the backtick and curly braces. I'll just say here, call excel 3, call mg. I'll say here 3, and call double excel 3, and double excel 3. I'll just say here mb, say here 3 or 4 is only up to us. Open this div, and inside this div I'm going to first of all, guys, we have to give here the key prop as well. It is compulsory. So whenever, guys, we are looping through any array or any object in React, in Vue, in Angular, we have to give here this key prop also. In this way, React is going to keep track of the changes of the element inside this array or the object. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now just open this div, and just to close this div. Now I'll just give you the class name also. I'll just give you the class name. I'll just use here the dynamic class. Okay, so using the curly braces and backtick, and we will just say here card. I'll give you the width also 100%, and I'll just give here the, as of now, okay, so give here $, and just copy this. Okay, just to copy this dark mode state variable to apply the dark mode, to remove the dark mode. Okay, on this div. Okay, so if it is true, we will apply here bg dark. Okay, bg dark and white text, and text white. Okay, and text white. If it is not okay, if it is not true, we will apply here nothing, or the blank, or the empty class. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Open this div, and guys, now inside this div we have to create here the image tag. Okay, we have to create here the image tag. So I'm going to do that now. So for this, I'll use here the open and closing curly braces, and now we will just check first. Okay, first we will check here with this. Okay, with this. Okay, books, with this. Okay, book dot. Okay, book dot. Okay, so open this, go to the developer tool one more time for you guys. Go to the console and open this. Okay, this. So guys, this is the author key, author name. Okay, cover addition key, cover I. Guys, this cover I is the image. Okay, guys, this cover I is the image. This ebook access is no ebook, like edition count is 1. First published year is 2019, and this is the language. This is the title of the book, Harry Potter Trivia. Okay, so guys, we have to use this cover I to create the img tag. Okay, so copy this from here, and now we will just check. Okay, if it is defined, we will just say here we are going to use here the javascript. Okay, like a ternary operator. Okay, like this. So open this, and we have to give here something, otherwise it is going to give us the issue, otherwise it is going to give us the error. So I'll give here the div. Okay, close this, give class name. So first of all, let me just close this div, give here the class name also, not class, only class name. Okay, like this. I'll just use here the card. Okay, card img top. Okay, and I'll just give you the text center as well. I will just give you the another class padding also. I'll give you a 5. I'll give you a bg. Okay, light as well. Okay, if we want, we can apply this bg light as well here also. Okay, and we will apply here the text dark. Okay, this is it. Okay, so we have to be very mindful while we are coding. Okay, this is it. So now here we have to create here the img element. Okay, so guys, now let me just go to the example to copy the img element. Okay, so let me just come here. I'm sorry. So let me just come here, and let me just copy this img element from here, and just paste it here. Okay, so this is just img element. Okay, this is just img element. Okay, so we have to say here this book dot cover to show the img, and book dot title to give the alt attribute. Okay, to this img element. Okay, so now inside this I'm going to define here this empty. So copy this empty. Okay, so guys, inside this, okay, if we don't have any image, okay, guys, as of now just save the file. Okay, as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser. Okay, so we can see here, guys, boom, guys, we can see here now the image is here. Okay, we can see here now the image is here, but guys, we can see here there are few, okay, blank or the empty card as well. Okay, which means there is no image at all. Okay, there is no image at all, but it is not good practice, okay, to show the blank or the empty card. Okay, we have to show here at least, so that user is going to feel that the developer is really dynamic, is really cool. Okay, so we have to, you can see here, uh, this is the empty card, 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 this is the empty card. So we don't have to show here empty card, we have to show here at least some data also on this empty card. So I'm going to do that now. So I'll just use this empty component from the ant design. We will just give you the description as well. So I'll just give you the description as well. I'll say here no image to no image to show. So if image is defined, we can see here the images also. If image is defined, we can see here image. Okay, if image is not defined, we can see here the blank or the empty card. But now we won't be able to see the blank or the empty card, because we have defined here the empty component, and it is going to give us the feel that there is no image. So we have load here the custom or the data. Okay, so now we can see here, boom, guys, no image to show, no image to show is now here. So this looks okay, cool also, and it will give you the confidence as well. Okay, so guys, this is the beauty of, okay, react.js. Okay guys, this is the beauty of react.js. We can do each and everything very easily and very efficiently using react.js. Okay, so guys, now just come to the code. Now we have to show here the title, the author name, and the published year, and we have to show here the languages as well. Okay, all the data we have to show here. So now come to the code now. So now below this I'm going to create here another div. I'll just give the class name also. So first close this div, and now we will just say here card body, card body. So open this div, and now inside this div, okay, I'm going to create here h5 element. So h5, so close this h5. I'll just give here the class name also as a card title. So I'll just use here open and closing curly braces. I'll just use here this book. Okay, this book and title to show the book title or book name. So title, save the file, have a look in the browser now. So see, boom, guys, now we can see here the book name or the book title is now here. Okay, you can see here is now here. Okay, on each and every book card. Okay, so now we have to show here other things also. So I'm going to create here a couple of, okay, para element. So p element, I'll just give here the strong element. I'll create here also. So a strong, so let's just close this strong, and we will just give here the class name also to this p element. I'll just say here card, okay, text. Okay, and now we will just say here the string also. I'll say here author, give a space, give colon, give a space, and now we will just say here book. Okay, book dot, we will say here book dot author. Okay, author. Let me just copy it from the data itself. So go to the console and open this any element. Okay, and now to show the author name, copy it from here, and this is the array. You can see here this is the array. This author name is again an array. So we will use here the dot join method to join all the author name. I'll use here the optional chaining operator. It is going to avoid the runtime error if there is no property associated with the property name or the value. So in this way it is going to avoid the runtime error. So we have used here JavaScript, okay, optional chaining operator to access the nested or the deep nested object property be used here, optional chaining operator. Okay, this is it. Okay, so in this way it is going to avoid the runtime error if this author name is not defined. Okay, if this author name is not defined, it is going to avoid the runtime error, and this is known as the optional chaining operator. Okay, this is it. I'll use here the join method to join all the uh, author name, and I'll just give here the delimiter as well, comma, and if author name is not defined, we will just say here, if author name is not defined, we will say here not okay available. Okay, as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser. So we can see here author name is here, author name is here, author name is here, all the author name I have shown here, the author name is here, the author name is here. Okay, so see, now we will show here the first, okay, publish here as well. So first publish here we will show now. Copy this property from here, and just let me just copy this and just paste it here, and we will say here first publish year, give a space, give colon, and we will just copy this first publish year property name from here and just paste it here. Okay, and we don't have to use here the join method. Okay, so this is it. If it is available, we will show it, otherwise we will say here unknown. Okay, unknown. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here the author is now Harry Potter, author is now Harry Potter, author is now Harry Potter, and published year is 2009, published year is 2023, published year is 2015. Okay, published year is 2008. Okay, so likewise for all the books card. Okay, so now just now we will show here the we will show here the ebook access as well. Okay, if it is borrowable or not borrowable. Okay, so just copy this p element from here and just paste it here. So now we will say here ebook access. Okay, ebook access. Okay, so copy this property ebook access from here, and we will just put it here, and we will say here otherwise we will say here unavailable. Okay, unavailable. Okay, unavailable. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here ebook access is public. You can see here ebook access is public. Okay, you can see here ebook access is no ebook access is public. Okay, you can see here ebook access is public, ebook access is public, ebook access is public. Okay, so this is it. So now guys, we have to create here the button also to show each and everything in the modal as well. So now I'm going to create here the button now. Okay, so let me just copy this. Okay, button component from here from ant design, and now I'm sorry, so where is the card? So inside this card only we will create here the button. Okay, so button, and I'll just give here the type as a primary. Okay, and we will say here see book details. So we will run here one method also on click of this button. As of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser. So we can see here the button is now here, see book details, see book details on each and every book cards. Okay, on each and every book cards we can see here one button called see details. Okay, okay, okay. So let me just check each time. Okay, so just comment this out, fetch method. So we will load the data whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time also. So just uncomment this out, save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here it is going to load the data automatically. for the first time whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time. Okay, so this is the feature of this use effect. Okay, it is going to run every time whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time. Okay, this is it. Okay, so just search here another book. I'll just search here the uh, Sri Krishna. Okay, hit enter. Sri Krishna, hit enter. See, boom guys, you can see here showing results for the Sri Krishna. Okay, so we can see here all the books now. Okay guys, you can see here these all books are now related to these. Okay, search term Sri Krishna. Okay, these term Sri Krishna. Okay, so you can see here the we can see here Srimad Bhagavad Gita also, all the books is now shown here. Okay, so we can see here. Okay, so let me just search here another book. I will just say here only say here Sri Krishna. Okay, hit enter. You can see here showing result for Sri Krishna only. So you can see here we are getting here this much of data. Srimad Bhagavad Katha also, Bhagavad Gita also we are getting here. Okay, each and everything. Okay, so okay, let's just search here Quran, Bible. Okay, any holy book, say here Quran, hit enter. You can see here showing results for Quran. Okay, we're getting the data also, but now we have to implement here the LoadMore feature as well. Okay, we have to implement here LoadMore feature now. So I'm going to implement now. Okay, as of now we can see here the entire 100 data in a single browser. Okay, but we have to hide okay all the data, and we have to show here initially. Okay, so guys, initially we have to show here only 10 data, and we will implement here the LoadMore feature, LoadMore functionalities as well. Okay, and we will just load okay 10 more data every time user will click the button load more. Every time 10 new data will be loaded, the user will click the button load more. Okay, so now we are going to implement that now. So guys, now we are going to implement now the load more feature as well in our React app. Okay, so I am going to do that now. Okay, so let me just here only inside this try block we have to do here some modifications, some changes inside this try block as well. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so as of now we can see here. Okay, so now I'll just say here, so just guys copy this okay variable name all books from here, and instead of this we will just say here this all books. Okay, so we'll say here store all the 100 okay data or books. This is it. Okay, and now we will just copy this okay set visible okay books state variable to update this okay visible books state variable. So copy it from here, and now below this we will just say here, now we will say here this okay this all books dot slice. To slice the array we will say here 0 is the starting index, and we have to show here only 10 data, give here comma. So now 10 is here. So in this way we are going to trim. Okay, we are going to slice the array up to only 10 data. Okay, up to only 10 data. So I'll just give here the comment also. So I'll just say here show okay only 10 data or books initially. Okay, this is it. And now I'll just copy this okay set item okay set items to show. So copy it from here, and now just to paste it here like this, and now we will just give here only 100. Okay, so you can see here the initial value is only 100. So copy it from here and just to paste it here. So this is it. Okay, so this is it. So guys, now just copy this okay visible book state variable from here, just copy it from here, and now we will replace with this books state variable. So paste it here. So as of now just save the file, we will be able to see here only 10 data, only 10 book data, because you can see here we are slicing here only 10 data using this, okay, set visible books state updater function, and we are updating this set visible, I mean the visible books, okay, state variable. So we have to use this, okay, visible books, okay, and we have to use it here, okay, here instead of books, okay. So guys, now we will only see here 10 data. So as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser. So now search Quran, see, boom guys, we can only see here 10 data, okay, we can only see here 10 data. If we want, we can replace it, okay, if we want, we can replace it also. So let's just make it here 5, okay. So we will only see here the 5 data, okay, and let's just save the file as of now. So now we can just search it one more time. You can see here, we can see here only 5 data, okay, only 5 data is here now, okay, only 5 data, okay. But now let's just make it 10. So initially we will show here 10 data. So now just search here, search book. So now 10 data is here. So we will apply here, we will implement here the load more feature now, okay. So now this is it, okay guys, this is it. So we will just create here one button also below this, okay, one button also below this div. So we are going to do that now, okay. So below this div, I'm sorry, so now we are going to do that now, okay. So just now we will create here open and closing curly braces, and I'll just use here item to show state variable from here, and just paste it here, and we will check, okay, we will check it with the books, okay, dot length, okay, book dot length, okay. If it is okay, if it is less, then we will hide the load more button, we will hide the load more button, and I'll just use here this, okay. So let me just use here the so guys, this is known as the JavaScript, okay, ternary operator, and we can use this, okay, like this in React as well, okay. So if show item will be greater than or equal to book dot length, okay, which is 100, if it is if it is true, we will just hide this button, we will just hide this button, load more, okay, button, and we will show the text that you have seen all the result, all the data, okay. So all the data have been shown, okay, this is it, okay. So now we will just create here one div also, create a div, give the class name also. I'll just close this div, and now we will say here text center, and I'll just say here margin top 4, margin bottom also I'll give here 4. Open this div, and I'm going to create here the button element inside this div only. So close this button very quickly. I'll just say here load more, okay, load more, this is it. Give the class name also, I'll give you the class name btn. I'll say here warning, okay, btn warning, this is it, okay, this is it. And now, okay, as of now this is it. And now here inside the else block, okay, we will say here, I'll just create here, okay, we will just again check here with the book, okay, books dot length, okay, books dot length, okay, if it is greater than, okay, 0, if it is greater than 0, then we will just hide it, okay. So we will say here, and we will just hide it. So we can see here we got the one issue. So let me just check here. So this is the parent container, okay, this is the parent container. So now this is, okay, so let me just say here, I think we have to create here one div, okay. So now error is gone, this is it. So error is gone, okay. Sometimes guys like, okay, like, I mean, what is the issue? Like, there is, everything is okay, I'm doing great, okay, but what is the issue? So it makes me okay feel like a little bit okay anxious. Okay, so I'll just say here class name. Also I'll say here text center, and I'll just say here display. I'll say here give here 3. I'll just say here text muted also. Okay, and I'll just say here margin top. Okay, 5, margin bottom also 5, and just open this div, and we will just say here you apostrophe have seen all the say here results. Okay, all the results. Okay, give exclamation mark. Okay, make it okay C capital, and let it be okay. So guys, in this way, if show item is less than okay book dot length. Okay guys, if show item is less than book dot length, then we will show this button. If book dot length is greater than okay if book dot length okay is greater than 0, then we will just say here you have okay seen all the result. Okay, if this is true, we will show this button. If it is false, which means user has seen which means user has seen all the data, so we will say here you have seen all the result. Okay, so on click of this button, we will say here on click, we have to define here one method also, so that we will every time we will show here 10 more new data. Okay, 10 more new data. So we will just say here handle say here handle load more. Okay, handle load more. So we have to define this method now. So copy it from here, and I am going to define it here. So const like this. I'll use here the fat arrow function, and just close this. Okay, like this. So now give here equal to. Okay, so guys, now let me just first of all let me just say here inside this. Okay, inside this. Okay, load more, we have to say here I'll just say like this. It will look good also. So we will say here like this. We will just copy with. Okay, we will just check with this. Okay, visible this visible. Okay, books. Okay, so just copy this, and now so we'll say here dot. Okay, dot length. Okay, so you can see here this. Okay, this visible book is the array, so it will have a length property as well. Okay, and you can see here visible book is here. We are setting it here using this. Okay, set visible books state operator function. We are setting it. Okay, this visible book state variable. So this is an array, so it will have a length property as well. Okay, and here we are trimming it. Okay, using the slice method of JavaScript. Okay, and we are using this. Okay, okay visible book. Okay, so as of now guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So let me just refresh the page one more time. Okay, so you can see here load more button is here now, and you can see here is now as of now it's 10. Okay, as of now this this visible book is now as of now is 10. So let's just make it 20. Okay, let's just make it 20. We will be able to see here 20 as well. Okay, we will be able to see here 20 as well. Okay, so just save the file, have a look in the browser. So now refresh the page. See, 20 data is now here. We can see here now 20 is here also. Okay, so this is it. Let's just make it 10 only. We will increase. Okay, once our this button is going to be clicked by the user. Okay, this load more button is going to be clicked by the user, then we will load the 10 more data. Okay, so come to the code now, and we have to define this method. Okay, this handle load more. Okay, so I'm going to define it now. So just copy it from here and come here. We have already defined it here. So now we will just say here inside this. Okay, inside this handle load more button, we will just say here we will just say here create a const first. Okay, create a const, and we will just say here next. Okay, give equal to, I'll just say here items. Okay, items to show. Okay, item to show. So just paste it here and increase it every time by 10. Okay, increase it every time by 10. Okay, so in this way this item, okay, show item will be increased by 10. Okay, by 10. Okay, every time we will click this button, load more. Okay, load more. Okay, so let me just item to show. I have used here item to show. Let me just as of now just copy it. Okay, and let me just copy it and paste it here. Let me just see if it is variable, like if it's array, or so now it is not an array. So guys, as of now just save the file, and it is going to increase every time by 10. Okay, whenever this, okay, this button will be clicked. Okay, click one more time. So first refresh the page, and okay, so this is okay. So okay, so copy this. Okay, set item to show state updater function, and then only we can update it. Okay, so let me just I was forgetting this, so just paste it here, and now we will just say here this variable next. So now just set the file, have a look in the browser, click this. See, it's 20 here, it's 20 here, click this. It's 30 here, click this. It's 40 here, click this. It's 50 here, click this. It's 60 here, click this. It's 70 here, click this. It's 80 here, click this. It's 90 here, click this. It's 20 here, and we can see here you have seen all the results. Okay, so see, now guys, you can see here you have seen all the results. Okay, let me just show you one more time. Okay, let me just explain you one more time. So guys, this, okay, guys, okay, this item to show, we will increase it every time by 1. Okay, whenever this, okay, this handle load more button is going to be clicked every time by the user, we will increase it by 10. Okay, so just it's now it's here 10 only. Click it one more time. Load more button is 20. Load more button is 30. Again click it, it's now 40. Again click this, it's now 50. Again click this, it's now 60. Again click this, it's now 70. Again click this, it's now 80. Again click this, it's now 90. Again click this, it's now 100. And we can see here the message also, you have seen all the results. So see, boom guys. Okay, so just come to the code now, just come to the code now and just remove this. We don't need this, I gave you for the explanation only. Remove this. Okay, so now now inside this, okay, handle load more, okay, method, we will just say here I'll just say here copy this. Okay, set visible book state updater function from here, and just paste it here. And now we will just close this. We will just say here this. Okay, copy this. Okay, copy this. Okay, copy this. Okay, here is the books. Okay, so copy it, and we will just slice it. Okay, every time by certain amount. So we will say here slice, and we will just pass it. Okay, we will just slice it. Okay, so we will just say here 0 comma, and just copy this next, okay, variable name from here, and just paste it here. So now item to show is now here. Okay, so guys, as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser now. Okay, so guys, this books, okay guys, okay, this books store or hold all the data. Okay, I have explained you this books state variable hold or store all the 100 data. Okay, so it's already defined. Okay, it's already fetched. Okay guys, the book is pre-fetched. Okay guys, the book is pre-fetched, but every time this button is going to be clicked, every time, okay, this button handle load more button is going to be clicked, we are going to reveal, we are going to show the 10 more data, the 10 more book data every time this load more button will be clicked by the user. So this is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So now just now refresh the page one more time. refresh the page one more time, and now come here, so click it, load more. See, boom guys, boom. See, 10 more data now loaded. It's now 20, load more. See, boom guys, 10 more data now loaded. See, it's now 30, load more. See, 10 more data now loaded. It's now 40, load more. 10 more data now loaded. It's now 50, load more. Again we can see here the new 10 more data, load more. It's again here the new 10 more data. It's now 70, load more. Okay, loaded more now. It's now 80, load more. Okay, it's now 90, and again click it, load more, to load the last 10 data. So click it. See, boom guys, now we can see here the message is here. Now you have seen all the results. Okay, you have seen all the results. Okay, so let me just search here another book. So I'll just say here math. Okay, hit enter. So we can see here 10 more. Okay, only 10 result is now here, and again you can see here again it is reset. So we have to click this button, load more, to load the 10 more data. Every time we will search the new book. Okay, we will perform the new search. Okay, so how cool and how dynamic it is. So load more is now 20, load more. Okay, it's now 30, load more. It's now 40, and we can see here the data is being now loaded. Okay, every time the user is going to click this button, load more. So it's now 40, load more. I'm sorry, it's now 50, load more. It's now 60, load more. It's now 70, load more. Okay, it's now 80, load more. It's now 90, load more. And this is the last 10 data. Okay, you can see. So now we can see here the message, you have seen all the results. So see how cool and how dynamic it is. Okay, so now guys, we have to implement here the modal. Okay guys, now we have to implement here the modal as well. But before implementing the modal, we have to implement here the dark mode and the light mode feature as well. So I am going to implement here the light mode and dark mode feature. Okay, so now I am going to implement it now. So let me just on this button click, we have to call here one method also. So I'll just say here on click. Okay, on click I'm going to pass here the anonymous file error function like this file error function. I will just copy this. Okay, set dark mode state updater function to update the dark mode state variable. So just paste it here, and we will just negate it using the exclamation mark. So copy this. Okay, dark mode state variable from here, and in this way we can toggle the things in React. Okay, from true to false, from false to true. Okay, and you can see here we are dynamically applying the classes based on this dark mode state variable value, true or false. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser now. So now try to apply the dark mode. See, boom guys, dark mode is now applied. Guys, you can see here dark mode is now applied. Guys, dark mode is now applied on each and every book card. Okay, on each and every book card the dark mode is now applied. But guys, there is an issue here. Whenever you will refresh the page, okay guys, whenever you will reload the page, you will refresh the page also, then the dark mode is going to be removed, the dark mode is going to be vanished. Okay, but we don't want this feature, we want the persistent feature. Okay, we want the persistent feature. So even if user is going to refresh the page, even if user is going to reload the page also, then also our dark mode is going to be persist, then also our dark mode is going to be remain there. Okay, so for this we have to use here use effect hook. Okay, to achieve this feature that dark mode is going to persist. Okay, we have to use here the use effect hook. Okay, so now we are going to use here the use effect hook. Okay, so I'll just say here now I'll just say here use effect hook, I'll just use here the fader function like this. I'll just use here the empty dependency array as well. Okay, and now we will just create here one const. I'll say here saved. Okay, saved mode, and I'll just say here local storage, dot. Okay, local storage dot say here first get item. Okay, so I'll just say here local storage dot get item. Okay, so here is the get item only, so I'll just get it. Okay, using the key. Okay, I'll just say here dark mode. Okay, if it is true. Okay, if there is something in the local storage, if it is true, we will just fetch it from the local storage, and we will just copy this. Okay, we will just copy this dark mode state updater function, and where is the code? Here is the code. We will just say here just set with this variable saved mode, and dynamically this set dark mode state variable is going to update this dark mode state variable. Okay, so now this is it, but we have to say here one more thing. Okay, so copy this. Okay, and just paste it here. So now we will keep track of this dark mode state variable. Okay, we will keep track of this dark mode state variable, and now we will just paste it here inside the dependency array. Okay, so we will just say here set item. Okay, set item, and now we will just remove this, and we will just say here what to set, guys. What to set? Of course this, of course. Okay, this dark mode state variable. So just paste it here. Okay, paste it here, and we don't want this, so just remove this, and in this way this use effect is going to be fired. This use effect hook is going to run every time this dark mode state variable is going to be changed. Okay, is going to be changed by clicking this button, apply dark mode, apply dark mode, apply light mode, apply dark mode, apply light mode. Okay, this state variable, this state variable dark mode is going to be changed. Okay, every time we will apply, or we will remove the dark mode. Okay, so you can see here dark mode is still applied. Refresh the page one more time. You can see here the dark mode is still applied. See, boom, guys, you can see here the dark mode is still applied. Okay, the dark mode is still applied, and you can see here load mode is also doing great. We can see here the 10 more data is loading every time, is being loaded every time. We will click this button, load more. Okay, so you can see here it's doing great, it's doing fantastic. Okay, load more is 30 now, so it's now 40. Load more is doing great, guys. Load more is now 60. Load more is now 70. Load more is now 80. Load more is now 90, and last 10 more data. Click it one more time, load more. See, boom, guys, it's now done. So we will see here the message, you have seen all the results. Okay, so guys, this is it. So guys, now we have to implement here the last feature of this React book search app, the modal feature. So I am going to implement it now. Okay, so whenever user will click this button, see book details, we are going to open a modal. Okay, we are going to open a modal whenever user will click this button, see book details. Okay, we have to open a modal. So let me just go to the ant design, hit enter. So ant design 5.0, go to the components, and go to the okay, go to the modal, open this modal component, and I'll use this modal. So open this, you can see here this modal. So open this, go to the JavaScript, and I'll just copy this modal, and just come here and just go to the code, and we have to let's just paste it here, guys. Okay, let's just paste it here. This is it. So we have to create here some more state variables now for this modal as well. Okay, we are going to create here some more state variable for this modal as well. Okay, so I am going to do that now. I am going to do that now, guys. So I will just create here two more state variable for the modals. Say here modal data. Okay, set modal data. This is it. Give equal to user state, and let's just create this empty object. Okay, empty object. And now I'll just say here const. Okay, say here modal. Okay, set here set modal state updater function use. Okay, use state, and as of now just give here the false, because initially the modal will be hidden and it will be shown once our button is going to be clicked by the user. So initially it will be hidden. Okay, so let me just copy this. Okay, set modal state variable from here, and just replace with this replace with this, and just copy this. Okay, modal from here state variable, and just replace with this. Okay, this is it. So on this button, so guys, on this button we have to say here on click. Okay, so on click we will just click here. On click we will click call a method. Okay, so I'll just pass here the anonymous filter function. I'll just say here method name open modal. Okay, open modal, and we will just pass here this. Okay, entire book object into this method open modal. So we have to define it now. So copy now, and we have to define it, and just say here const. Okay, paste it here, and just give equal to, I'll use the filter function like this. So close this, and now this is it. So just copy this. Okay, set modal. Okay, set modal state updater function to update this modal state variable. So I will just say here paste it here, make it now true. So save the file, have a look in the browser first. So there is an issue. Let me just check what is the issue. So okay, so let me just check what is the issue. So let me just okay, we have to call here the modal component first. So modal component like this, save the file, have a look in the browser now. So now error is gone. Now you can see here error is gone, and you can see here, you can see boom guys, the modal is now being open on click of this button. Okay, see book details. So see boom guys. So now we have to make it dynamic also. We have to make this modal dynamic as well. Okay, so let's just make it dynamic now. So I'm going to do that now. So let me just copy this. Okay, set modal data to update this modal data state variable. So copy this from here, and come down, and inside this modal only open modal method we will just update with this books object. Okay, entire book object. Okay, entire book object. So now just copy this modal data from here, and we will just make each and everything dynamic. Okay, we will make each and everything dynamic inside this. Okay, modal inside this modal. Okay, so first of all let's just make this. Okay, title dynamic. So I'll just use here the backtick. So let's just use the dollar sign, and just say here dot title. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser, see book details. See boom guys, you can see here Romeo and Juliet is here. It's dynamic now. Book details, you can see here. Okay, so the modal title is now dynamic. The modal title is now dynamic. Click OK. So now let's just make it everything dynamic now. So we will make it everything dynamic now. So here inside this modal. Okay, so let me just as of now just remove this everything, and I'll just use here the open and closing curly braces, and just copy this. Okay, just copy this. Okay, modal data, just copy this modal data, if it is set or not, if it is set or not. Okay, if it is set or not. Okay, if it is set or not, we will use here the uh, React, okay, uh, like a conditional rendering, okay. Sometime I forget it, okay. Conditional rendering, okay. So I'll just use here the JavaScript, okay, fragments, okay. JavaScript JSX, okay, fragments. This is known as the JSX fragments, okay. So I'll just copy this, okay. Guys, let me just copy this, okay, image from here. So img element from here, and just paste it here. So let's just make it, okay, modal data, copy it and replace with this book, and replace with this book also. So as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, so let's just say here, click this button, see book details. So see, it's now images here now. So let me just apply here the style set, internal style as well. So I'll just say here style, okay. I'll just say here, uh, I'll give you a width, okay, 100%, and I'll just give you a height also of 300 px, and it's px. And I'll just say here border radius as well. Border radius I'll give you 10 px, and I'll just give here I'll just say here object, okay, fit I'll give you cover, okay. Object fit I'll give you a cover. Save the file, have a look in the browser, and now refresh the page. So now see book details. See, now images are shown here. So we have to show all the data like author name, title, and other details as well, okay. So come to the code now, and below this I'll just say here, I'll create here a few para elements also. So p, okay. So close this p, and I'll just give you the strong element as well. So I'll just say here strong, and close this strong as well. So I'll just say here the title, give a space, give colon, and I'll just say here modal, okay, data dot title, to show the title dynamically in the modal. To save the file, have a look in the browser. Okay, see details. You can see here the title is now here. So let me just give here, okay, classes also. I'll just give you the class, okay. I'll say here margin top, okay, 3. Save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here margin top 3 is here, margin bottom also 3. So now, okay, the title is here. Click OK. We have to show all the things also. So copy this p element and just paste it here, okay. I'll just say here author, okay. So modal author, we will say here copy this, go to the exam, inspect, go to the console and open this. So let me just open this, and to copy the author, so let me just say here author name. So let me just use here the author name, and I'll use here the JavaScript, okay, optional chaining operator, okay. JavaScript optional chaining operator. So now, okay, if this is it, so we will just so let me just okay guys, let's just don't use here, okay, like or just use here, okay. Just use here the join method, okay. Just use here the join method, okay. Join method. So give here the delimiter as well, okay. If it is not defined, if it is not defined, we will say here not available, okay. This is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser first, okay. So see details. So we can see here the author is now here. So we will now show here the publisher as well. So I'll just say here publisher, and we will just change with this title. We will say here okay, or we will say here publisher. We will say here publisher. If it is defined, we will show it. Otherwise we will say here otherwise we will say here not available. Okay, this is it. And now we will show here the first published year. So first published year modal data dot, we will say here first published year. Okay, if it is defined, we will show it. Otherwise we will define here the static string. Okay, we will say here no, okay, no data. Okay, so save the file. As of now, just save the file. Have a look in the browser first. So just close this. We can see here the title is here, author is here, publisher is here, and first published year is here. So I'll show here the language as well. Okay, I'll just copy this, okay, p element, and I'll show the all the languages as well available for the book. Okay, so I'll just say here language. Okay, language, and we will just say here like this. I'll just say here language. Okay, so if it is an array, so we will just show the entire array using the join method. So join, and give you the delimiter as well. So delimiter, I'll give you a comma, and otherwise we will say here no data. Okay, just command okay, control Z, no data. As of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So now everything is okay, everything is set. So see book details. See, we can see here the title is here, author is here, publisher is here, first published year is here, language is here, and you can see here the images is here also. And if we want, we can show the ebook access as well. So just copy this and just paste it out, and just copy this ebook access property name from here, and just replace with this. Okay, so we will say here ebook access. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. See book details. See, everything is now here. Title, author, publisher, first published year, language is here, and ebook access is here, is public. Click OK. See details. Click OK. So guys, you can see here load more data. See, boom guys. Okay, it's how cool and how dynamic it is. We can see guys, we can search here anything, and the feature and the functionalities is also overloaded. Okay, we have here okay API, load more data, dark mode, and modal. So let me guys okay implement here one more thing also. Okay, let me just implement here one more thing also here. Go to top feature as well. Okay, let me just implement here go to top feature as well. So I'm going to do that now. So in here only I'm going to do that now. Okay, so let me just say here go to top. Okay, below this modal only we can say anywhere. Let me just use here the open and closing curly braces, and just copy this. Okay, variable, state variable name. Okay, show okay go to top. Okay, show go to top, and paste it here. Okay, if it is defined, okay, if it is defined, we will use here the option like Java, like React. Okay, conditional rendering. Okay, React conditional rendering. So open this, and now create a div. I'll just create a div here. So create a div. I'll just give create a div. Okay, let's just create a button. Okay, why create a div? Let's just create a button. Okay, let's just keep it short and straightforward. Okay, I'll just give here the class name also. So let's just open this, and say here the string. I'll say here go to top the text. Okay, so I'll just give here the button. Okay, I'll say here btn. I'll say here danger, and I'll say here position. Okay, position. I'll say here fixed. Okay, fixed, and I'll say here bottom also. Bottom also I'll give here 0, and I'll just give here and 0 and 0, and I'll just give here also 4. Okay, and as of now, just now guys, just save the file, have a look in the browser. So we can see here okay we don't have any button here because there is the issue. I will tell you why. Okay, we can't see the button because you can see here it's still false. So let's just make it true, and now we can see here the go to top button as well. You can see here is the button go to top, but it will not work as of now. It will not work. So we have to define here one method as well. Okay, see, load more data is doing great. Load more data is doing great. Load more data is doing great, and I've shown here the data number as well. Okay, so it's now 50. It's now 50. It's now 60. It's now 70. Okay, it's now 80. It's now 90. It's now 100. So we can see here you have seen all the results, but now just make this button functional. Now as of now it is not functional, so we have to create here one method as well on this button. Okay, on click of this button we will run here one method. Okay, so I am going to do that now. Let's just make it false. As of now it should be hidden. Okay, so initially it should be hidden. So come to the code now, and we will define here one method as well. Okay, so let me just define here on this button only. We will just say here on click. Okay, on clicker we will say here on clicker, and we will just say here factor function. Okay, anonymous factor function. I'll say here window. Okay, window dot, okay, scroll to. Okay, window dot scroll to. Okay, we will just use here like this. I'll just say here top. Okay, 0, because we have to go to the top. Okay, so top is 0, and behavior we will give here behavior we will give here smooth. Okay, so smooth. Okay, this smooth. Okay, so let me just check the spelling mistake. Okay, so it is smooth. Okay, this is it. So now we have to define here the use state hook, like use state effect. Okay, inside the use effect we have to define here now the method. Okay, so guys, please guys, okay, please, okay, subscribe now. My channel code with ER, please guys, please, okay, subscribe now. So let me just come to the code now, because you can see here I'm putting a lot of hard work, I'm putting a lot of hard efforts, okay, to create videos, to create awesome videos for you guys. Okay, so that you can watch it and you can learn from them. Okay, and you will definitely guys grow also in your professional IT career as well. Okay, so we have to use here the use effect hook also as of now. Okay, as of now this will not work. Okay, as of now this will not work. Okay, let me just go to the okay, let me just, okay, make it, okay, as of now let me just make it true. Okay, so true. Okay, so you can see here go to top, you can see it's working fine. Okay, you can see here it's working fine. Okay, but you can see here the button is still here. We have to hide the button as well. Okay, you can see here the button is still here. We have to hide the button as well. Okay, so for this we have to use here use effect hook. Okay, and we will check it. Okay, how far, okay, how far user has scrolled. Okay, like horizontally we will check here how far user has scrolled. Okay, in the y direction. Okay, in the y direction, or we can say here horizontally. Okay, in the y direction, or we can say here horizontally as well. Okay, we will check here how many pixels user has scrolled vertically, or in the like horizontally, or in the y direction. Okay, or in the y direction. Okay, so we will check it using the use effect hook only. So let's just, okay, okay, so let's just here inside this use effect hook we have to create here use state, no, I mean use effect hook. Okay, sorry, sometimes I say use effect. Okay, instead of use state, and instead of use state I say here use effect. Okay, so you can understand. Okay, so just create here the factor function, anonymous factor function like this, and give here the the dependency array as well. Okay, this is it. So now we will just check it how far user has scrolled in the y direction, or vertically. Okay, or vertically. Okay, so we will just say here I'll just create here one const also. I'll just say here handle scroll equal to, I'll just give here equal to I'll just use here the filter function. Okay, so like this, and now we will just close this now, and now we will say here, now if we will check here if, okay, if, okay, if window dot scroll y, okay, window dot scroll y, scroll scroll y, okay, if it is greater than 500 or 600 pixel, we can say here 500, 600, okay, it's up to us only. So if it is greater than 600 pixel, so we will just say here, okay, we can just copy this, okay, we can just copy this, okay, set show go to top state updater function to update this, okay, show go to top. Okay, what is the issue? I will explain you guys each and everything in depth, in details. Okay, so let's just, as of now, let's just make it true, because this is false. Initially it is false, so initially it is false. Okay, this, okay, show go to top state variable is false, so we will just update it to true. We will see the button. Okay, we will see the button if user has scrolled, okay, horizontally or in the y direction, more than 600 px, we will set it to true. Otherwise what we will say here, else we will say here, copy this, and just make it again false. I'm sorry, make it again false. This is it. Okay, this is it. And now we will just append the, okay, we will just append the event, okay, to this window object. We will just append the event, okay, this scroll event to the window object as well. So we will say here window dot, okay, add event listener, what to, guys, what to attach, which event. So of course scroll event, okay, and give here comma. So copy this handle scroll method from here, and every time it will be scrolled more than 600, okay, in the y direction, or horizontally, we will show it. Otherwise we will again we will hide it. Okay, so now we will just say here, this is the this is known as the like cleanup function. Okay, this is known as the cleanup function. So we will remove the event also. So copy this from here, and just say here remove event listener. So say here remove event listener. This is it, guys, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. So now, guys, just save the file, have a look in the browser, and finger crossed, refresh the page one more time manually. So now just go down, see, it's now shown. Go up is hidden, is now shown, is now hidden, is now shown. Okay, it's now hidden. See, click go to top. See, boom, guys, see, it's doing great. Load more data, it's 20. Okay, load more data, it's now 30. Load more data. Okay, so it's doing great, it's doing fine, and I have shown you each and everything, and I've explained you each and everything in the depth, in the details as well. Okay, so load more data is now 60. Load more data is now 70. Load more data is now 80. Load more data is now 90, and last 10 more data. So boom, guys, we can see here all the data is now shown here, and we have implemented here, guys, we have implemented here all the feature, okay, like API feature, load more feature, dark mode feature, and modal feature as well. Okay, so how cool and how dynamic, guys, our book search app is. Okay, so let me just go to top. Okay, by clicking this button, go to top. See, boom, guys, it's hidden, it's now shown. Go to top. Okay, so okay, so I hope, guys, you have learned something. Okay, great, something awesome, something cool, okay, from this video, from this session. And guys, you are now excited and I hope guys you are going to create, okay, you are going to build this, okay, book search app, okay, using this open library API. I'll give you the link in the description. You can just go there and you can just check it out, okay. And just guys go through the documentation, okay. Guys, just go through the documentation. You will just get to know that how to use this open library API book, okay, like open library API to create this awesome and dynamic book search app, okay. So I'll give you the link in the description, the URL link in the description, okay. So okay, so guys, I feel guys we have come to the end of this video, end of this session, and I hope you have learned something great, something awesome, something unique. And guys, I hope you have already subscribed now my this channel Code with ER. Please guys, please do subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and please do share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your group as well. Please guys, do share this video, okay. So let me guys read something for you so that you will get the confidence to subscribe my channel Code with ER. Let me just read this for you. So hey everyone, I know I'm not here to create low grade, vulgar or obscene content just to get the subscribers. If that were the case, I'm sure some of you would have subscribed by now, but that's not my goal. My aim is to give back something meaningful and valuable to society through education and knowledge. If you believe in the power of learning and want to be part of this, okay, journey, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for my YouTube channel Code with ER. I'm here to teach you and empower you with the skills that will last a lifetime. Remember, there are countless channels out there offering cheap and dirty and harmful content to entertain you, but here it's all about growth, learning, and becoming better versions of ourselves. So if you have learned something today or found this session helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel Code with ER. Your support means the world to me. Yes guys, you heard that right, okay. Your support means the world to me, okay. So guys, at the end of the day, it's all in your hands, okay. Take care, and I'll see you in the next session. We have got some amazing stuff lined up for you. Prabhat Pandit, that's me, okay. I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also. Please guys, please, okay, like this video as well, and please guys do share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your group also, okay. And please you can comment me the feedback also, guys. You can give me the feedback also in the comment box right below this video, okay. You can guys just guys, okay, ask me anything. If any query regarding this video, regarding this session, you can ask me in the comment section below, okay, right, okay, below this video, okay. So thank you guys for watching my session, for watching my content, and thank you guys who has already subscribed to my channel Code with ER. Thank you guys, thanks a lot, okay, from bottom of my heart, from core of my heart, okay. Thank you guys who has already subscribed now my the channel Code with ER, okay. And thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed to my channel Code with ER. Please guys, subscribe now my the channel Code with ER. You can see I'm putting a lot of hard work, I'm putting a lot of hard efforts to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. So thank you guys, see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.